How to recover Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover Gmail account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google app on your device. After you open Google, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right. And from here, tap on manage your Google account. From the section, you'll have to swipe right and tap on security. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on password. From here, you'll have to just tap on the option try another way. Like in my case, Google has already confirmed that this phone is mine and already verified on my phone, so I'm getting the option to recover my account. In your case, you might be required for a verification code that you will receive on your email account or your recovery phone number. Simply you'll have to just enter that recovery code that you will receive on your phone number. After you enter that, simply tap on continue. And from this section, you'll be able to set a new password for your Gmail account. Simply add your new password that will meet the system requirement. After that, simply tap on change password. After you tap on that, you'll be able to recover or add a new password on your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.